ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল নমস্কাৰ। আজি মই আপোনালোকক FYUGP Sem English Major and Minor Book Unit ৰ অধীনৰ topic prosody শিকাম। Definition: Prosody refers to the patterns of rhythm, stress, and intonation in spoken language. It plays a crucial role in conveying meaning and emotion, enriching communication beyond mere words. Definition of prosody. The term prosody is derived from the Greek word prosodia, meaning is a song. Prosody, prosodia. The types of prosody. 1. Lexical prosody. 2. Phonological prosody. 3. Syntactic prosody. 4. Discourse prosody. 5. Emotional prosody. 6. Interactive prosody. Poetry. Definition: a literary form that uses rhythmic and aesthetic qualities of language to evoke emotions, ideas, or imagery. Elements: imagery, vivid descriptions that appeal to the senses. Sound, use of rhyme, meter, alliteration, and assonance. Form, can be like or free verse. Theme, central ideas or messages, often exploring complex emotions and DXP. Words. Definition: a term often used interchangeably with poetry but can refer specifically to a line of poetry or a particular metrical composition. Pod. সংজ্ঞা: কবিতাৰ সৈতে প্ৰায়ে বিনিময়মূলকভাৱে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা শব্দ কিন্তু বিশেষভাৱে কবিতাৰ কোনো এটা শাৰী। প্ৰকাৰ: খালী পদ্য, ছন্দবিহীন ইয়ামবুক পেণ্টামিটাৰ। মুক্ত পদ্য: এটা সামঞ্জস্যপূৰ্ণ মিটাৰ বা ছন্দ আঁচনিৰ অভাৱ। গীতৰ কথা: ব্যক্তিগত আবেগ প্ৰকাশ কৰে, প্ৰায়ে সংগীত শৈলীত। 1. Question: What is prosody? Answer: Prosody refers to the rhythm, stress, and intonation of speech, influencing how language is expressed. 2. Question: Why is prosody important in poetry? Answer: Prosody enhances the emotional impact and aesthetic quality of poetry by shaping its sound patterns. 3. Question: What are the main elements of prosody? Answer: The main elements are rhythm, meter, stress, and intonation. Sorry. Question: How does rhythm differ from meter? Answer: Rhythm refers to the flow of words, while meter is the specific pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. Pass. Question: What is an example of a rhythmic pattern in poetry? Answer: An example is iambic pentameter, which has 5 pairs of alternating unstressed and stressed syllables. Soy. Question: What role does stress play in prosody? Answer: Stress emphasizes certain syllables or words, affecting meaning and emotional tone. Can prosody vary between languages? Answer: Yes, prosody can vary significantly between languages in terms of rhythm, stress patterns, and intonation. No. Question: What is a prosodic feature? Answer: A prosodic feature is an element of speech such as pitch, loudness, tempo, or duration that contributes to meaning. Question: How can prosody influence comprehension? Answer: Prosody aids comprehension by clarifying the structure and emotional context of spoken language, helping listeners understand